Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Growth Mindset TV, and I'm here to talk about the power of positive words. Have you ever noticed that when someone says something nice to you, it makes you feel good? It's like a warm hug or a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day. That's because positive words have a powerful impact on our mood, our relationships, and our overall well-being. When we hear positive words, it releases dopamine in our brains, which is a neurotransmitter that makes us feel happy and satisfied. It also lowers our levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Positive words can also help us to build stronger relationships. When we compliment someone, it makes them feel good about themselves, and they are more likely to want to be around us. And finally, positive words can help us to be more positive ourselves. When we focus on the good in others, it's easier to see the good in ourselves. So how can you be more positive? Here are a few tips. Focus on the good in others. When you see someone doing something nice, take a moment to appreciate it. Practice gratitude. Every day, take a few minutes to think about the things you are grateful for. Use positive self-talk. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to a friend. Surround yourself with positive people. The people we spend time with have a big impact on our mood and outlook on life. Thank you. So those are a few tips on how to be more positive. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And until next time, remember to spread positivity.